Do you agree with me? We all have equal opportunities, but how we make use of the same is all that matters. Welcome you to the day number 10 of Self Mastery with me, Ruthuparna Sharma. It seems once a father gifted his three children with the world's best mobile phone. After a period of about 8 months, when all of them sat there for dinner, the father just questioned, "My dear children, how is the cell phone? How are you using it?" The child number one said, "The cell phone is absolutely great. The cell phone that you have given me, it is actually in top condition because I hardly use it. I only use it to receive calls, cut calls, and send a few SMSs. Apart from this, I hardly use my cell phone, so that is why it is in a great condition." The father smiled and looked at child number two. Child number two said, "I don't only use it to receive calls, cut calls, send a few SMSs, but I also use the beautiful camera to capture amazing photographs. You have to see these photographs, father. It is absolutely nice." The father was happy about the way the second child had used. He turned to the child number three. The child number three said, "I don't only use the cell phone to receive calls, cut calls, send a few SMSs, and also click beautiful pictures, but I go to the next extent. To the all pictures that I have clicked, I also write a beautiful poetry and I share it to my friends. I share it in the world outside, and it's been getting amazing feedback and responses. Thank you so much, father." And that is when father smiled, looked at all the three children and said, "Opportunity I gave to three of you was the same, but how you made use of it made all the difference to you guys." What a beautiful story, no? It is so much applicable to our life as well. And that is where, my dear friends, we need to know the power of choice. This particular day that we have got is an equal opportunity for every living being out there. One person out there in the world can waste this day completely. Other person out there in the world can make maximum utilization of this particular day. The opportunity called day was the same, but how we made utilization of it made all the difference. These 21 days that me and you have, equal opportunity. People can think this is a time waster and can waste these 21 days. Or there can be people who feel that these are the 21 days that they'll have to work on themselves and become the best version of themselves. 21 days given to all of us was the same, but how we made utilization of it makes all the difference. Have you observed this? There is a particular book that we'll be discussing about. One might just read it for fantasy, but the other might start implementing whatever he reads. The book given was the same, but how we make utilization makes all the difference. Similarly, my dear friends, this opportunity called life, a human life that me and you have got, is an opportunity. At the end of your life, you might feel nothing great was ever done, or at the end of life, you can choose to die with satisfaction as to you made complete utilization of this opportunity called life. My dear friends, let us not regret. Let us not regret saying we have got an opportunity but we did not make use of it at all. So the question I have for you is, this opportunity called day, how do you want to spend it? This opportunity of 21 days, how do you want to utilize it? This opportunity called life that we have, what do you want to be known as? Whether the one who never even realized as to what beautiful things a human being can do, or whether the one who actually utilized the potential, who actually grabbed opportunities with both the hands, and the one who actually completely utilized life. This was Ruthuparna Sharma with day number 10 of Self Mastery. If you liked whatever you saw today, the choice is completely yours. You can choose to just see the video and do nothing about it, or you can choose to see the video and implement some action. Be an action taker. Also, do not forget to forward this message to your closed ones. Thank you so much.